In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can force close apps here on a MacBook Pro. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's two different ways to do this. I'm going to be showing you both. Both work on any Mac, any model, and any application. Let's just go ahead and say I want to force close, messages, right? What you're going to want to do is select Command and then go ahead and hit Option and then Escape. And this is going to bring up the Force Quit application section where you're going to want to find your application on here, for example, messages, and then just hit Force Quit just like so. Hit Force Quit one more time, and just like that, the app will immediately close, even if it's frozen or not responding. The second method is going to use the activity monitor, which is going to show you everything running in the background. So let me open up messages again. So let me go ahead and open up messages again so I can demonstrate this. There we go. What you're going to want to do is hit Command and then space to open up the Spotlight search. Go ahead and type in activity monitor and hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, which is essentially like the task manager of Mac. From here, go ahead and find whatever, activity or application you're looking for. For example, you could search for it or just find it on here. Here's messages for me selected. After doing that, what you're going to want to do is go up to this little X icon or this little stop icon right here. Select that, hit force quit, and it'll go ahead and force close it as well. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.